John Deere 9430 lives down in Wynne, Arkansas, sells on January 30th on a Witcher online only sale. 425 horse. It is a pre-emissions tractor. 7,406 hours on the meter. Big 1,000 PTO, which is important. Most of those tractors did not come with a PTO, and 4 remotes. So tell me, what do you think it's going to sell for? Drop a guess in the comments. Overall, presents fairly nicely. Straight sheet metal. It is a little sunburned. That happens down there. At any rate, duals, 710 70R42s all the way around with wheel weights. Those are BKT tires, and I believe they're probably close to about 70% tread left. Like I said before, it is a 4 remote tractor. Big 1,000 PTO. You don't see those very often. We have 189 results in our TZ Pro database, and only 67 of them are marked as having a PTO. The cab is fairly clean. It's not perfect, but it's fairly clean. The CB and the guidance equipment do not sell with the tractor. As far as context goes, majority of these tractors don't have a PTO. There's one listed right now at a dealer in Thorpe, Wisconsin for $119,500. It's pretty much identical, even down to the hours. Auction average over the past 3 years on these tractors for 7,000 to 8,000 hours with a PTO, about $119K. So drop a guess in the comments. Tell me what you think it'll sell for.